solvent salts. Okay, so just keep in mind this point, and examples already given you here in the preparations of the namak. हम लोग का नमक बनाते समय में भी, yes. And now example here, after then we have to go to our main points. Okay, say sodium hydroxide is a strong base, and what called the hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. We don't take any aqueous here, and here we'll form the sodium chloride plus water. Okay, this is the first example. You can take here the potassium hydroxide plus, again you can take here another acid, HNO3, that is the nitric acid, and here will form the potassium nitrate, KNO3 plus water, H2O will form. Okay, and you can take another example, say the calcium hydroxide. This is a strong base, okay, calcium hydroxide also, and it reacts with H2SO4. That is the sulfuric acid, the strong, what we call this one only. And here will form the calcium sulfate plus here H2O will form. Okay, so like this, here these normal salts are formed. Okay, yeah, this point. Yeah. Okay, then here we already know the types of the what we call the bases. Okay, and here we are going to the important salt preparations of the salts. Okay, we are going to prepare the different kinds of the salts. Okay, I have given you the neutralization reactions as an example. I mean along with what I call a definition. I think I have given, right? Neutralization reactions like that. Yeah, this is a neutralization reaction only. Okay, reaction in which an acid react with a base to form salt and water is called neutralization reaction. We already learned, right? Yeah. So that's why. Then we can proceed to what is it? Okay. Now we will proceed to some important salts. Okay, and its preparation. So let's go. Some important salts and its preparation. Okay, we are going to prepare salts also. Okay, so first point here, we can pick up the first point. What is that? Here we will use. Okay, we will write the use also. Okay, say number first point में हम लोग लेता है क्या? That is the common salts. Common salts. Okay. Here you have to know the common name and the chemical name. Okay. The chemical name of what? Common salt is what? The common name, the chemical name of common salt is sodium chloride. Okay, sodium chloride, and yes, you write down formula here instead of writing here here again. Okay, sodium chloride. Okay, you have to know this one, and then it's the preparation. ये कहाँ से prepare करते हैं? Preparation में two method है. Okay, so what is that? The first one is that in laboratory, it is prepared in the laboratory by reacting with a hydrochloric acid with the sodium hydroxide. Okay, this is for the what I call the laboratory process में. But in a large scale for the industrial purpose में कहाँ से बनता था? This is prepared from this is obtained from the what I call seawater. Okay, हम लोग सी वाटर से क्या करके इवापोरेट कर ही मिलता है ना. Okay, so that is in the large scale में it is prepared from the seawater, because seawater contains different kinds of salts, you know. Generally, they are salty only, okay. That's why it is prepared from there, okay. Yeah, in the preparation, number one, in laboratory, okay, in laboratory, it is prepared how? That's only, okay. It is prepared by reacting, okay. In laboratory, it is prepared by reacting what? It is prepared by reacting what is called sodium hydroxide with HCl, okay, with HCl. So equation. I will not write example here. I will write as the equation. Okay. So equation is the sodium hydroxide plus HCl to keep the sodium chloride plus the water. Okay. And number two, okay, for commercial आएगा तो commerce means क्या है, just business, just keep in mind, okay. So for commercial purpose, and keep in mind commercial purpose होगा तो in a large scale का production, okay. In for commercial purpose it is obtained from seawater. Okay, it is obtained from the seawater. That's enough. Okay. Yeah. So this is for the commercial purpose. It is obtained from the seawater. Okay. समुद्र का पानी से हम लोग मिलता है. Okay. Yeah. This is about this one. And let us write down uses. Okay. We have to know the uses. Okay. So number first point of the uses, it is one of the main constituent of our daily food. हम लोग रोज खाना खाता है, राइट. सो इसका मेन कंस्टिट्यूएंट वही है. बिना सॉल्ट ऐसा लगता है कि it has no taste ना, तो उसका टेस्टलेस ऐसा हो जाता है ना. सो दैट्स ओनली it is one of the main constituents of our daily food. ओके. रोज का फूड जो है ना, तो उसका मेन कंस्टिट्यूएंट है. ओके. सो एंड सेकेंड में क्या लिख सकता है, ये बहुत ज्यादा केमिकल बनाने के लिए इस्तेमाल करता है. ओके. Okay. Number two, I think you can't see, right? I will rub this one. Number two, it is used. Okay. So कहाँ में क्या होता है? It is used in the manufacturing of washing soda. Okay. It is used in the manufacturing of washing soda. Okay, washing soda, or also you say baking soda. Etc. Okay, and number third point, it is used in the manufacture of what? There is the caustic soda. Caustic soda. Caustic soda is what? You know, there is the sodium hydroxide, है ना? Okay. हम लोग का जो बेस जो है जो हम लोग इस्तेमाल किया है और मतलब पहला डिस्कस किया है ओके सो देर इज इन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ दिस सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड बनाने में भी हम लोग क्या करता है इस्तेमाल करता है ओके सो इट इज यूज इन द मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ द caustic soda देर इज अ सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड yeah so this point you have to know okay